Hello Westmere Wolves. This video is a tutorial on how to create a Glow Run fundraiser page. So first you're going to want to go to the Westmere School website, scroll down to the link Glow Run online donation link. From there you'll be brought to the PTO website. If you already have a login for the PTO, you will log in with your password and username here. If you do not, you will create a new account and I will show you how to do that. So first, you're going to want to type in your first and last name. Then you'll want to put in an email. Then a login, which you will need to remember. And then a password, which again you'll need to remember. From there, to verify, you'll need to click I am not a robot and submit. From this page, you'll need to do one of two things to get back to the login. You can click the backspace twice to get back to the PTO login page, or you can go to the school website and simply click on this link once more. Now that you have a login, you will log into the PTO page. With your username and password, and this will take you to the Glow Run fundraiser page. From this page you can manage a couple things. You can edit on the page content, but last I wanted to show you how to share your page. So if you click on that tab, you have your link right here, which you can copy and paste and create a link for yourself, your fundraiser page, which will be brought here. Here, family and friends can donate to your fundraiser. You can also click on one of these social media links here on the bottom and post your link on those pages as well. If you have any other questions regarding the fundraiser, you may contact one of these specials team members, the PE department, art, or music department.